Hi all, welcome to week 5. I would introduce my pets, but you've already met both of them, Scarlett and Darby. And they're kind of grumpy today, so I decided to leave them out of my videos, so you're stuck with me. Again, just me, that's it. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to be talking and identifying steps you can take to avoid ethical lapses in marketing and sales messages. Ethical business people view persuasion as a positive force aligning their interest with what is best for their audiences. To maintain the highest standard of business ethics, always demonstrate the you attitude by showing honest concern for your audience's needs and interests. Just don't be fake. Care about people. The influence audience members by providing information and aiding understanding. This allows people the freedom of choice. So if you give them the information and you're not hiding anything from them, you're allowing them an educated decision. Use language that is persuasive but not manipulative. Choose words that won't be misinterpreted and don't distort the truth. There's a couple of legal considerations that I wanted to note in this as well, so that we don't get any ethical concerns with, marketing to children or celebrities or something like that. So, marketing and sales messages must be truthful and non-deceptive. Statements that are likely to mislead reasonable customers are not allowed. You must back up your claim with evidence. We all have seen those weight loss commercials with those before and after photos, so go ahead and give your audience proof that your product works and that you've done your research in whatever it is that you're selling. The bait and switch advertising is illegal. Now, this is quoted directly from the book. Try to attract buyers by advertising a product that you don't intend to sell, and then trying to sell them another and usually more expensive product is illegal. So that's the bait and switch. You say, hey, here's my product, but I actually want to sell you this one over here. Illegal. Marketing messages and websites aimed at children are subject to special rules. You have to have parental consent to gain information of children if they're under the age of 13. So if you're 14, even though you're not a legal adult, you can give your information to buy things, which doesn't really make sense to me, but there are special rules and regulations on marketing to children. Companies must disclose when they give products to online reviewers. I thought that this was pretty interesting. I wish that, companies would give me free products to write reviews on them, because I would, and it would generally be honest. It must be disclosed that a company gives a product to a consumer in exchange for their review on a retail site. So what this means is they are giving me a product, and because they're giving me this product, I'm writing the review. It's not me willingly or voluntarily writing the review, and they're giving it to me. So generally it's probably for free. And that has to be disclosed. Celebrities and other social media influencers must disclose they are compensated to endorse products. How many of us know Instagram influencers or something like that, and they don't disclose that they're getting these products for a discounted or whatever price, or they're being given the products? It happens all the time. And I think that the FTC is not regulating this well enough, and that Instagram is just full of ads, as is Facebook these days. And the people who are posting these things for workout gear or stuff like that are being compensated to post these things, but then aren't telling you that they're being compensated to post these things. They're not voluntarily doing it by themselves. I have a whole nother pet peeves on celebrities on social media and their opinions and how they don't matter, but a topic for another day. That's it for this page. These are my references. I do actually have one more thing that I wanted to point out. This is directly from the book as well. Companies that coordinate with product champions and social media influencers have a degree of responsibility for what those people are saying to the public. So if you get a workout gear and the person is saying that it is the most amazing thing ever, it never breaks, it never does anything, it has no faults, no nothing, the person who is selling the product is responsible for what that person is saying. Why isn't stuff like this being regulated? I don't understand. Marketers are expected to train these people in a reasonable, responsible communication and monitor what these outside parties write and say about their products. So, again, be truthful, don't lie, use the persuasion method and not the manipulative method. And with that, we can all avoid ethical lapses when we are marketing and using sales messages on commercials, social media, or any types of things like that. So let me know if you have any questions, leave them below, and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching my post.